With distance learning this semester, it's going to be really important that you keep your Google Drive account organized. I know for my classes, I'm going to be using a program called Canvas, and every time you open a document, you're going to have to make a copy. Now, if you keep making copy after copy after copy, it's going to get very confusing and time consuming. So I want to show you guys how to organize your Google Drive so that all of your distance learning stuff is organized and easy to keep track of. We're going to set it up for my class, but I really challenge you to do this for all 6 of your classes so that all of your schoolwork is kept neat and organized while we're all online. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Google. So here I am at Google. Now over here to the right, you're going to see the 9 boxes. This is your menu where you can find all of your different Google apps. So I'm going to click on the 9 boxes, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Drive. Once my Google Drive account is open, it's going to bring up a lot of different documents that you may have had for other classes. You'll see this is some of the stuff that I've been working on. If I scroll down, you're going to see I already have quite a few folders in my Google Drive account. This is just something that I do. I really enjoy being organized. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to start by coming over here where you're going to see the plus sign that says New. You're going to click New, and you're going to make a new folder, okay? You're going to call this folder whichever class you are currently thinking about. So for my class, it's going to be video production, and you're going to hit Create. Now, right here is my video production folder. If you right-click on that folder, you're going to see you can change the color. You can make it whatever color you like. I'm feeling like lavender today. So we don't want to just stop there. We're going to double-click on the video production folder, and we are going to make folders within the folder. So we're going to make one for each movie genre that we're going to study. So I'm going to click on the drop-down arrow. I'm going to click New Folder. I'm going to call it Action, Create. I'm going to make another new folder for Comedy, Create. I'm going to make another new folder for Horror, Create. And I'm going to make one more folder for Fantasy. But we're not done yet. Let's go ahead and make one for Spartan TV. You can write out Spartan TV, or you could always put STV, which is the abbreviation for Spartan TV. Create. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and color code these. Let's go red. Let's make it a rainbow. Let's go orange. Let's go yellow. Let's go green. And blue. We needed one more to make it a full rainbow, but that's okay. There we go. So now whenever I have something for the class, we're going to be filling in different outlines, projects, things like that. You can go from your drive. I will tell you, if you don't have very many folders, then you're not going to have to, it's not going to be hard to keep track of. But this little triangle next to the My Drive, if you drop that down, it will open all of your folders. So here I can see the video production folder I saved. Let's say this project, I'm going to click on it. I'd want to add it to my video production folder. Is it working? I guess it doesn't want to let me do that from there. Let's scroll down. Let's say this untitled presentation was something. I could click, drag, add it to my video production folder. Now you'll see it just brings up all of those folders. So then I would take one step further and I would add it to my action folder. Really recommend you do this for your other classes. If your other classes aren't this specific, what you could do is break it down by week. You could make a folder week 1, week 2, or you could make a folder for August, September, October. Anything that's going to make distance learning easier for you, you really want to try to do, because it's going to be challenging for all of us. So I really recommend making these folders. Do it for all of your classes, and hopefully it makes things a little bit easier for you.